Altcoin season is finally here, and it's already heating up. But here's the real question. Are you holding the right altcoins? Maybe you've got money on the sidelines and you're wondering, is it too late to buy? Well, in this video, I'm covering 5 high-conviction altcoins set to skyrocket in the coming days and weeks. I'll go over key narratives to watch and teach you how to spot the next big altcoin opportunity. Hit the like button, and let's dive right in. Now, let's talk about something big, Donald Trump's win and its positive impact on the crypto market. Whether you're skeptical or not, just check the charts. Last time in 2016, when Trump won, crypto went wild, and we're expecting something huge again. But here's the kicker. It might be too late to see massive gains from Bitcoin. This could be the right time to pivot to altcoins. Let's dive into some charts for clarity. We're in phase 1, where Bitcoin pumps. We've seen it happen, and yes, Bitcoin will continue to climb. But the big moves could be behind us. Next up is Ethereum and large-cap alts, followed by smaller-cap coins later. If you're chasing tiny-cap gems right now, it's a risky move, and your best play at the moment is large caps. Here's why. Take a look at CryptoBet's top 100 coins, solid gains across the board. Now, compare that with lower-ranked coins, like 900 to 1000, and you'll see a lot of red. While you might hit a winner in the small caps, your best chance at steady gains is to focus on top-tier coins. Once the market shifts from large caps to full-blown alt season, then it'll be time to look at smaller projects. So, what should you be focusing on? Some narratives will drive this bull market, and we've got a few to keep on your radar. AI will play a huge role, especially now that Elon Musk is in the mix with Trump. Add real-world assets thanks to BlackRock's ETF developments and gaming with upcoming releases like Off the Grid. If you want to capitalize on these themes, this video will give you the right tools. Let's talk about coins. Dogecoin has made waves, up 90% recently, but I don't consider it a high-conviction pick, yet it shows a key pattern: the recovery base. Dogecoin's surge highlights this recovery pattern. First up on my list, AOS. This project had major hype earlier in the year. Right now, its market cap sits at $540 million, and the chart shows a beautiful setup for a potential breakout. Render is another high-conviction play. This project focuses on decentralized cloud computing, which is essential for AI and rendering services for gaming and film. Demand for projects like Render is high, with active users growing. With upcoming macro events like the FOMC meeting and stimulus from China, projects like Render could be primed for explosive growth. Keep an eye on this one as we move deeper into altcoin season. Next is Ether, a decentralized cloud compute project that's positioned to benefit from the AI boom. If you're familiar with NVIDIA's H100 GPUs, Ether lets users access that same GPU power for a fraction of Amazon Web Services cost. It's already creating a base for a rally. High demand, great utility, and a solid setup for this upcoming AI-driven cycle make Ether a standout pick. Now, if you're interested in getting in early, consider Spring.net. This platform lets you buy pre-sale tokens or buy tokens locked in vesting periods at a discount. If you want to access projects with pre-sale pricing like Gunzilla Games, check out Spring.net. For projects that are vesting, this gives you the chance to cash in early. Another ecosystem to watch is Solana. It's been surging with solid TVL growth and volume, but the real opportunity is in Solana-based projects like Jupiter and Radium. By investing in Solana ecosystem projects, you could gain exposure to Solana's growth without limiting yourself to SOL's price movement alone. For those of you who jumped into Soy Network projects early, you know the upside potential. Recently, a coin we discussed, CUS, rallied over 100% in a single day after its Binance launch. This shows the potential of DeFi projects on emerging networks. Finally, let's talk about gaming. Beam is my top pick in the gaming space, with 30 games currently in development on the platform. Watch for a breakout in BEAM as the gaming season picks up momentum. Make sure you're looking at the right beam with the rainbow logo. With strong technical support and an established pattern, Beam looks set to run up significantly. Before you go, don't miss our next video. Check out the links on the screen, and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates in crypto and join the Telegram channel.